Hello, everyone.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back.
Welcome to another English listening and speaking practice.
Today, we have a very fun topic.
Yes, today we will talk about making friends in English.
Making friends can feel scary sometimes.
Yes, especially in another language.
Maybe you feel nervous,
Maybe you think, oh no, what if I make a mistake?
but that is okay.
Yes, mistakes are normal.
Mistakes help us learn English.
And today we will practice easy English conversations for making friends.
Very simple English,
Slow English
easy English.
and natural English.
So relax,
Get some coffee
or tea.
and practice English with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
yes, that helps us make more English lessons for you.
Okay,
Let's begin.
Donna, do you like meeting new people?
Yes and no.
Oh, really? Why?
Sometimes I feel shy,
Ah, me too sometimes.
especially in big groups.
Yes, big groups can feel scary.
Sometimes I do not know what to say,
That happens to many people.
even in our own language.
Exactly.
But making friends is important.
Yes, friends make life happier.
Friends can help us learn English too.
That is true.
So today, let's practice easy conversations.
Let's imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Okay,
Ready?
ready.
Hi, my name is Wilbert.
Hi, Wilbert. I'm Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good.
Those are important phrases.
Let's repeat slowly.
Hi, my name is Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent.
Simple English can start a friendship.
Yes, you do not need difficult English.
Simple is okay,
Actually, simple is better.
especially for beginners.
Now, let's continue the conversation.
Okay,
So, Donna, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. I'm from Canada too.
Wow, really?
Yes. What city do you live in?
I live in Vancouver.
Beautiful city.
Thank you.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because the people are friendly.
That's nice.
And there are many coffee shops.
Ah, yes. Coffee shops are important. Very important.
Very, very important. Yes.
Coffee helps friendships.
And English practice too.
Exactly.
Now, let's repeat some questions.
Good idea.
Where are you from?
What city do you live in?
Do you like your city?
Maybe say your answer out loud.
Even if your English isn't perfect.
Practice is important.
Okay, Wilbert, let's continue.
Okay,
So, when you meet new people, what questions can you ask?
good question.
Maybe some listeners do not know.
That's okay. We will help.
Yes.
You can ask simple questions.
Like what?
For example,
What do you do?
that means, what is your job?
Ah, okay.
Or you can ask,
What are your hobbies?
yes, hobbies are great for conversation.
Because people love talking about hobbies.
Very true.
Okay, Wilbert, what are your hobbies?
I like watching movies.
Nice.
I also like listening to music.
Me too.
And I enjoy walking outside.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, especially in good weather.
I like reading books.
Oh, smart, Donna.
Not always.
What else do you like?
I like cooking.
Really?
Yes.
What do you cook?
Pasta.
Only pasta?
Mostly pasta.
Donna really loves pasta.
Yes, maybe too much.
What about our listeners?
Yes. Listeners, what are your hobbies?
Do you like music?
Sports?
Movies?
Cooking?
Gaming? Reading?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay, Donna, let's practice another conversation.
Okay.
Imagine you are at school.
Okay.
You see a new classmate.
I feel nervous already.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Okay.
You can say,
Hi, is this seat free?
good.
Then the person says,
Yes, it is.
then I can say,
Can I sit here?
nice.
Very polite.
Then maybe I ask,
What's your name?
yes.
And then,
My name is Donna. Nice to meet you.
perfect.
Simple English again.
Simple but natural.
That is important.
You do not need perfect grammar to make friends.
You just need to communicate
Exactly.
and smile.
Yes, smiling helps a lot.
A friendly smile is powerful.
Very powerful.
Not scary powerful.
No laser eyes. Just friendly energy.
Okay, let's practice introductions again, slowly.
Good idea.
Hi,
Hello,
my name is Donna.
I'm Wilbert.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What are your hobbies?
Excellent.
You can use these phrases every day.
At school.
At work.
Online.
At a coffee shop.
Maybe even at the gym.
Yes.
Although people at the gym sometimes look serious.
Very serious.
Like this. Do not talk to me, I am lifting weights. But some people are friendly too.
That's true.
Now, Wilbert, let's talk about online friends.
Oh yes, many people make friends online now.
Especially English learners.
Yes.
Maybe on YouTube
Or language apps.
or social media.
So what can you say online?
Maybe,
Hi, I'm learning English too.
I'm from Brazil.
I like your comment.
Do you want to practice English together?
Excellent.
Easy and friendly.
And remember,
Short messages are okay.
yes, do not worry too much.
Many learners think,
My English is bad.
but practice makes you better.
Exactly.
You improve step by step,
Word by word.
conversation by conversation.
Friend by friend.
Aw, that sounds nice. Okay, Wilbert, what makes a good friend?
Good question.
Thank you.
I think a good friend listens.
Yes,
A good friend is kind
very important.
and honest.
Yes.
Also funny.
Funny friends are the best.
Laughter makes conversations comfortable.
I agree.
What about you?
I think good friends support each other.
That's beautiful.
And good friends say nice things.
Like,
You can do it.
your English is improving.
Great job.
Positive words matter.
Especially for language learners.
Learning English can feel difficult sometimes,
Yes,
but encouragement helps.
definitely.
Now, let's practice another real-life conversation.
Okay.
Imagine we are at a party.
Oh no, I'm shy again.
It's okay.
Okay.
You walk to someone and say,
Hi, I'm Donna.
Hi, Donna. I'm Wilbert.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Me too.
Then maybe we talk about food.
Food always helps conversations.
True.
What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Me too.
Boom. Friendship started.
Pizza friendship.
The strongest friendship. Okay, listeners, now you answer.
What food do you like?
Do you like pizza
Or pasta?
or rice?
Or noodles?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay, let's talk about common mistakes.
Good idea.
Some learners feel embarrassed when they make mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Very normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Yes,
Sometimes I forget words too.
me too.
And sometimes I say strange things.
Like what?
One time I wanted to say, I am excited.
Okay.
But I accidentally said, I am exhausted. Very different meaning.
Very different.
People thought I needed sleep.
Maybe you did need sleep.
Probably.
That happens sometimes.
The important thing is, keep talking.
Yes, do not stop practicing.
Confidence grows with practice.
Slowly and naturally.
Now let's practice useful friendship phrases.
Great.
I'm happy to meet you.
Do you want to hang out sometime?
What do you like to do?
You seem very friendly.
Let's practice English together.
Excellent.
Now let's repeat slowly.
Let's practice English together.
You seem very friendly.
Do you want to hang out sometime?
Very good.
Wilbert, what if someone is very shy?
That's okay.
Some listeners are shy.
You can start small.
What do you mean?
Maybe just say hello.
Simple,
Then ask one question.
not 10 questions.
No police interview. No police interview. Just one simple question.
Like, how are you?
Exactly.
Then slowly continue the conversation.
Yes.
That feels easier.
And remember,
People usually like friendly conversations.
most people are happy when someone talks kindly to them.
That is true.
Now, let's do a longer practice conversation.
Okay.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I am.
I'm Wilbert.
Nice to meet you. I'm Donna.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh, nice. I want to visit South Korea someday.
Really?
Yes, the food looks delicious.
It is.
What do you do?
I'm a university student.
That's great. What do you study?
I study business.
Interesting. What about you?
I work in a bookstore.
Wow, I love books.
Then we are already friends.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like photography and music.
Very cool. What hobbies do you have?
I like movies and hiking.
Nice. Would you like to get coffee sometime?
Sure.
Excellent.
That conversation sounded natural.
Yes, and not too difficult.
Listeners, you can practice that conversation too.
Pause the video and repeat.
Practice helps your pronunciation.
And your confidence.
Okay, Wilbert, let's ask listeners more questions.
Good idea.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
What are your hobbies?
Do you like music?
What food do you like?
Are you shy when speaking English?
Or are you confident
Maybe a little shy.
and a little confident?
That's okay too.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Step by step, day by day.
Conversation by conversation.
Okay, Donna.
Yes?
Let's teach useful compliments.
Oh, good idea.
Compliments help friendships.
Yes, nice words make people feel good.
For example,
Your English is very good.
I like your smile.
You are very kind.
I like talking with you.
Very friendly phrases.
Yes, but be natural.
Right.
Do not say 20 compliments in 1 minute.
That becomes strange.
Very strange. Now, let's practice saying goodbye politely.
Important skill.
Yes,
Sometimes conversations end.
but we can end them kindly.
For example,
It was nice talking to you.
see you later.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
Simple and friendly.
Okay, Wilbert. Final question.
Okay?
What advice do you have for English learners who want friends? Deep question.
Very deep. My advice is do not be afraid.
That's good advice.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
Yes,
People care more about kindness and communication.
not perfect grammar.
Exactly.
And practice often.
Yes, speak a little every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
And smile.
Friendly smiles again.
Very important.
Okay, everyone.
We hope this lesson helped you.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
You are improving every day.
Slowly
Naturally.
and confidently.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your name?
Where are you from?
And what hobbies you have?
Maybe you can make new friends in the comments too.
That would be amazing.
Don't forget to like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and continue practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Take care and keep speaking English.